Hi everybody, Scott Bruder here. And this, if you've seen the intro, is being recorded on a Sony Handycam. Well, the reason for that is because I recently broke for the very first time, the screen protector on my phone. Never had this happen before. I feel like it was in my pocket with a bunch of other things that were bouncing around, but you see there's an impact mark, and it cracked all the way up to where the camera is. And you can see there's another crack mark going across here, and another one shooting over here. So let's make use of the zoom on this camera. Come on, we gotta use all of the old features when we break out the Sony Handycam. Focus. Focus. Maybe I have to break into manual focus. Manual focus. Oh, there's the focus setting. It says it's on manual. Really? Okay. Oh, look at that. We can really see what's going on there. The three shatter marks, all the dust particles. Well, I really like the image quality on this camera. It's just, you know, I've got to take it, transfer it off, upload it to the interwebs, all independently, like people used to do back in the day, before they oh, here I am trying to adjust the focus. Like they did back in the day before we had to... No, not before we had to. How about... back in the day, like when we had to upload content directly. Wow. Multitasking is not treating me well today. Perfect. Okay. So, let's see if we can get a little bit more light on this subject. And I don't mean police lights. This is a fun little flashlight I picked up a couple days ago, and it's been treating me pretty good. AliExpress. If you want a link, check in the notes. Okay, so I got this phone like 2.5 years ago. It's a Samsung A52. And at the time, I bought myself some screen protectors, and it came in a 3-pack. Now the question was, or is, well it was, I know the answer, was what, where do I put the extra ones when I don't need them, because no one needs 3 screen protectors all at the same time. Well, I may forget where I put my shoes, but I was very happy to say I did not forget where I put my screen protectors. So we have some Bazo brand. This came from Amazon. Let's go in here and see what's in the box. We got ourselves some alcohol pad, some dust absorbic cloth. I never used that the last time. Got a little squeegee with a little felt on it. Get all the air bubbles out. We have the frame. This frame allows you to position it right on top and drop the screen protector inside. And if I look in here, I have 2 tempered glass screen protectors for my phone. Let's if we mess up today, well, we've got another option. Oh man, I even threw in some pictures or stickers. 2 years and I didn't lose any of that. Okay, well let's set this off to the side. What we're gonna have to do, and this one may not be so pretty, is I have to remove that. I don't know what I want to use. I'm gonna probably start with a credit card, see if that can get under it. Actually, you know what? I've got my little maintenance tools maybe have a guitar pick or a spudger. Both of those would be perfect for the job. So the last thing I want to do is use a screwdriver. Well, I don't want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to just start here at the good corner. Oh yeah, look at that. Peels right off. Ooh, and there's the first crack. And there's the second crack. And there's the whole thing. Look at that. Beautiful. Not bad. The screen underneath isn't too shabby. What we'll do is kind of see how things are going. Yeah, that's how that cover goes on. It goes on the top. And there's a lot of buildup and stuff along that from all of the years of being in my case. Okay. Let's break out that little glass cleaner rag. I feel like that's going to be my best friend at this point. And you can definitely see the edge here. Let's zoom in again. You can see like where life has kind of built up along the edge. Is that a good way to say it? Come on, there we go. So that. You know what? Let's break out something a little harder. Let's just see if I got a little paper towel and some rubbing alcohol, and we'll just be a little bit more vigorous with that. So I got my isopropyl, 99%, some good stuff. And I was pretty sure I've had myself a microfiber cloth. Let's take a look. And I have my microfiber cloth. Look at that. Okay. Of course, when you're cleaning off dust, always brush the same direction. You don't want to leave any new deposits as you brush through. This is like the hardest part, isn't it? Just making sure you get all of those bits of debris off. See if I can. That lens has still got a little bit of weird stuff in it. Try this dust abstract, absorbrict. I'm assuming it's just a sticker. I'm just going to get right in on the level. I think we got them all. I'm just going to sit this off to the side, and I'm not going to touch anything with it because I want to be able to use it if anything else